Work.
Work.
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Live.
Live.
They live in New York.
They live in New York.
Love.
Love.
I love my family.
I love my family.
Like.
Like.
She likes chocolate ice cream.
She likes chocolate ice cream.
Need.
Need.
I need some water.
I need some water.
Want.
Want.
He wants a new book.
He wants a new book.
Move.
Move.
Please move your bag.
Please move your bag.
Call.
Call.
I call my friend every night.
I call my friend every night.
Ask.
Ask.
She asks a question in class.
She asks a question in class.
Answer.
Answer.
I answer the teacher politely.
I answer the teacher politely. Work. Live. Love. Like. Need. Want. Move. Call. Ask. Answer.